Why do we hiccup? Imagine if our bodies held on to remnants of ancient rhythms. Hiccups can sneak in at the worst times, a seemingly useless spasm. But there's an unusual twist. Hiccups might be a relic from our fishy ancestors. Picture early creatures gulping air to survive both in and out of water. Now, as an echo of that past, our diaphragm occasionally goes wild. Think of it like our body's accidental time machine, a prehistoric habit that never quite vanished. So every hiccup links us to our evolutionary story, a quirky moment of history still tickling our modern lives.